How to add 1098T on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on where you can enter Form 1098T on TurboTax. Form 1098T, also known as the tuition statement, is a form that eligible educational institutions such as colleges and university issued to students. It provides information about the tuition and other qualified educational expenses paid during the tax year. Now, to add 1098T on TurboTax, you want to open TurboTax and log into your account. Now, begin a new tax return if you're starting fresh, or select your existing return to continue working on it. In TurboTax, go to Deduction and Credit section. Now, you want to click on the Education section. This is where you will enter the 1098T information. TurboTax will ask if you or a dependent had any education expenses. Click yes when asked. Now it will guide you to the section where you can enter the 1098T form. You have to enter the details from the form 1098T over here. You will need to enter the following details: payment received for qualified tuition and related expenses, amount billed for qualified tuition and related expenses, scholarships or grant received, adjustment to prior year's tuition, a check mark if the student was enrolled at least half time for any academic period during the year if the student was graduate student. Now you will also have to answer some additional questions. After that, you want to review the education credits. Then you will have to complete your return. Once you have entered your form 1098T, TurboTax will incorporate it into your return. Now you can continue through the remaining steps in TurboTax to complete your tax return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.